Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all. I am headed, doing a little video today here. A little small businessman of the week, a small business of the week, and I got a former co-worker friend of mine named Donald Wyche. He do barbecue. I put him in a video before, maybe a couple of years ago. So he doing a little pop-up here out here on Jones Road out here in Northwest Houston today. And he got brisket, rib, chicken, and sausage. And I kind of like to support him. He don't have a brick and mortar. He kind of do little pop-ups here, here and there, and kind of, you know, that's how small businesses start. Little pop-ups like that here and there. So he got brisket, rib, chicken, sausage, boudin out here. And I'm going to support him today, y'all, and see what he got, see what I get into before I head back to Arlington. Like I say, this is Houston area, Northwest side, and I'm going to put his information. His name his company is Bull's BBQ. His name is Donald Wyche, and like I say, he's out here maybe a couple of times a month in the Jones Road area, and got his pit out here and stuff. So we're going to pull up and see what he got, and kind of maybe interview him and see what we can buy and support him. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are here. Yeah, let me kind of zoom y'all out here. Like I told y'all, he got a little pop-up here. He's in front of the nail shop, on shopping center over here on Jones Road. Look, overcast. He ain't got no tent or nothing, but hey, the rain is kind of flaring down. So like I said, he got his name, Bull's Barbecue. You can see on the back of his shirt. So yeah, let me show y'all here what he got here. Got Chef Donald here, Bull's Barbecue, living color. He got rib, sausage. What else he got? His beans, potato salad. Then he got boudin too.
Yeah, we got boudin, homemade links.
He got homemade links there. I mean, I'm telling y'all, this stuff smells absolutely amazing out here. Absolutely amazing. Got a nice pit there. See his pit? See his pit set up right here? It's a nice rig right here. Look at that. What kind of wood he got? I bet you it's oak. Hey, Donald, what kind of wood you got? Oak?
You want link?
Okay. But look at that, y'all. Look at that rig he got right there.
You come out here every Saturday?
Look at that
every other Saturday, I'll be in this location.
You say every other Saturday. Look at that brisket there, y'all.
I got right here to this door.
Look at that, y'all.
And your little trailer was just going right on
Look
down.
at that.
She was trying to catch you.
Look at that, y'all. That's how you do it, y'all.
Really?
Oh, is that what it
See
was?
that?
Okay.
See that smoke ring on there too, y'all?
You got a dog.
When I drove out
Oh,
back there,
yeah.
wasn't nothing on this pit.
Okay.
Because if I'm out here, if I'm driving out,
Oh yeah, y'all.
ain't nothing on this pit.
That's where you do it. This is where you do it. Got this smoke box on there.
Sorry.
No, you good. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back here. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Look at that brisket there. People out here. People out here. Out here ready. Ready. So anyway, we'll be back, y'all.
Good barbecue don't need no sauce.
That's it.
Yeah, sauce just enhances it.
I
It
don't need
doesn't.
enhancement. I'm strong. I go long and strong already. Yeah, I don't need no enhancement, but that's good though. Barbecue sauce good. Come check it out. We got it bottled up. It's gonna be in HEB, covered near you pretty soon. You know, Big Bull.
Barbecue, baby.
Yeah.
Give me $20. Yes, sir. What we got, Jeff?
But yeah, this bull right here, aka Donald Wyche.
Yes, sir.
And tell the people how. Look, I've been knowing Donald over 20 years, more than that.
Yeah.
Used to work with him and stuff like that. Now y'all know I know barbecue. The man can barbecue. Y'all already know. Y'all been following me enough. I'm gonna tell you like it is. The man can barbecue. But what I'm here to show y'all, he said he out here. Tell him where you gonna be, how you, so people can find you. Cause they always asking me.
I'm at this location. It's 10701 Jones Road at the Domain Nail Bar. I'll
Right
be
here.
here every other weekend.
Okay.
And after that weekend, I'm either in Baytown or I'm in Missouri City at Roy's Barbershop. Every other Saturday I'm here, and the following Saturday I'm at Roy's Barbershop in Missouri City. Another Saturday I go to Baytown, and I got classic Chevrolet dealerships. I got Ford dealerships. I'm all over.
Now, how can they find you on social media?
You got to go to Facebook or Instagram, Bulls Barbecue, BULLS space BAR space BQ.
Now, y'all, I'm going to drop his links in the description of the video, too, as well, if y'all didn't catch that, so it'll be easier to access.
Yes, sir.
But yeah, but you got Jones Road right here. It ain't hard to find, y'all. Big parking lot right here, plenty of parking space. Then you can pull up, and he right here on the side, right here.
Or you can reach out to me in a message, a text message.
Yeah, send him a direct message on Facebook or Instagram.
And I'll call you back. I do catering and everything.
Oh, wow.
Follow us where we're popping up at.
All right. So I'm going to stop here, and I'm going to get me some, y'all, to take back to DFW. So we'll be right back. All right, y'all. I got it feeding some customers here. Donald right here feeding customers right here. I need to get some more footage. Look at that, y'all. Look at that shit, y'all. I'm still here, Donald. I gotta do another shot with you. That one didn't come good. So anyway, just keep working. Just keep working.
100% satisfied with your online.
Look at that here.
Guaranteed.
Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Look at that shit. Look at that, bro. He got his sausage is homemade. The links he got is homemade. Sauce he got is homemade. Look at that, y'all. Hey, this is the best. This is the best you can get right here, y'all. This is the best you can get right here. He cater, y'all. He's on Instagram. He's on Facebook. Bulls Barbecue. I'm gonna let him tell y'all what he exactly how to get in contact with him. I'm gonna leave a link to his socials in the description of the video. But look at this right here, y'all. Look at that.
18, that's 38. Plus 20, that's 58. Plus 20 more.
Look at that, y'all. So anyway, we'll be back.
Corn in the skillet, fresh off the car. Everything with heavy cream in it, like cream corn that in some of these barbecue places. Yes, ma'am. Not this weekend, but next weekend. Yeah, yes, ma'am. Okay,
Let him show. Watch him work, y'all. Watch him work, y'all.
You have a YouTube channel?
Yes, ma'am. Mine is Old School Soul Food. Yeah, but he don't have it. I need to get him on his YouTube.
You do need to get it.
Yeah, I need to get him done on YouTube. Yeah. Yeah, I'm Old School Soul Food. We need to go with Bulls Barbecue.
Yeah, he quit his job, moved to Dallas, got seeds and chickens, but he get a blue check.
So yeah, I'm gonna get his guy, get his support and get him going. He got more talent, just as much talent as me. He just gotta be guided in the right direction, and the rest is history. Yep.
The camera on the tripod and then get after it.
Yep, that's how you do it. All right, y'all, we're gonna do this interview again with Donald Wyche here. All right, Donald, one more time here. Tell everybody where you're gonna be. I'm gonna do another shoot here, y'all. This Donald Wyche, Bulls Barbecue. He's on Instagram and Facebook. He's here every 2 weeks. You give him the rundown right quick.
I'll be at this nail bar every other Saturday.
Nail bar right
so
here.
This nail bar is called Dominion Nail Bar Domain Nail Bar and Salon Studios. The address is 10701 Jones Road.
See Jones Road right there, y'all.
Yes. And the following weekends, I'm in Missouri City, Baytown. Y'all can look me up on Instagram and Facebook and find out where I'm popping up at the following weekends. But I'm here. Just follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and you'll know where I'm located.
And I'm going to put his socials in the description of the video, y'all. I'm telling y'all, like I told y'all, I know barbecue. Y'all already know. I'm going to tell you like it is. Y'all been following me on nothing. This stuff is a real deal. I got my big old plate already in the car, ready to go. So anyway, y'all check him out. Y'all support him. Just like y'all support me and make him grow and grow and grow. All right, y'all, let me close this video out. All right, like I told y'all, please go support him. If you're in the Houston area, Houston, Galveston area, like I say, he's in all parts of Houston, but maintain he's every 2 weeks right here on Jones Road, right off 290 here. And come support him. I'm telling y'all, we used to go back and forth at the job because I used to barbecue for the job. He was a server, a waiter. at the job I recently retired from, and we used to kid back and forth who had the best barbecue. We still do that, but I have to give the man his due. The man been doing it for years. The man can definitely barbecue. And like you say, he make his own sausage and links and boudin. All that is to die for. And I got a whole plate of it. Maybe I'll show y'all when I get home. I didn't show y'all the plate when I bought. I'm on my way back to DFW. So I got to smell all this barbecue for the next 3.5, 4 hours. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to wait till I get to my apartment in Arlington, and I'm going to show y'all the barbecue that I have. And like I told him, don't put no bread in there, don't put no pickles, no onions. I don't need that. Just give me the meat, beans, potato salad, and the sauce, and we good to go. So anyway, I will be back. I was going to close this video out, but I'll be back once I show y'all the barbecue what I bought from him. So anyway, y'all support this my good friend, longtime friend, been knowing him more than 20 years, y'all. Yeah, he's a good guy, work hard, and he, like I said, he works at a regular job, and he do this on the weekend on the side. And hopefully this thing can just blow up, or this could be his main hobby, just like mine is. So anyway, we'll be back once I get to Arlington, and I'll show y'all what I bought here, and then I'll close the video. We'll be back. All right, y'all, I have finally made it here. Y'all know my little tiny, teensy tiny, it ain't teensy tiny, a little apartment here in Arlington. So I made it home. Now, let me show y'all what I got here. This is Bull's Barbecue. Like I told y'all, it got his homemade, these are homemade sausage right there. Got the, I told him load me up on the rib, got brisket under there. Some chicken, no, I rib, biscuit, and sausage. That's what I wanted. So that's what he got me. But like I said, if y'all live in the Houston area, like I say, he every 2 weeks over in that area. And then he got other locations. I'm gonna put the link to his channel, to his Instagram and Facebook in the description of the video. And y'all go support him. Like I said, I've been knowing this guy over 20 years, and he definitely knows his thing when it comes to barbecue. So anyway, let me close this video out. If you like the video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow me on social media accounts, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, TikTok, oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2024, stop wishing, start doing. Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day. And I will see y'all in the next video. Look at that, y'all. Love y'all. Bye.